Intro. Welcome back to our quarterly earnings breakdown. Today we're diving into the consolidated Q4 FY26 results for Oracle Financial Services Software Limited. Let's see how they performed. Dividend. Great news for shareholders right off the bat. The board has declared a massive interim dividend of 270 rupees per share. The record date is set for May 7th, 2026. Marking a very strong reward mechanism. Total income. Top-line growth remains highly robust. Total income came in at 2136.50 crore rupees, driven by revenue of 2065.20 crores and other income of 71.30 crores. This marks a solid 18.81% year-on-year jump and a steady 5.43% increase quarter-on-quarter. Expenses. Looking at the cost structure, total expenses stood at 1,016.40 crore rupees, with employee benefit expenses taking the biggest chunk at 822.60 crores, and other expenses at 50.50 crores. Controlling these operational costs will be key for future margin expansion. EBITDA. Operational efficiency is shining through this quarter. EBITDA reached an impressive 1,056.30 crore rupees, representing a 38.13% growth year-on-year and a 28.88% rise quarter-on-quarter. The EBITDA margin expanded significantly by 660 basis points to reach a stellar 51.15%. PBT. Moving down the income statement, profit before tax hit 1120.10 crore rupees. This is a healthy 33.50% increase compared to the same quarter last year, and up 30.64% from the previous quarter. PAT. The bottom line continues to impress. Net profit surged to 841.70 crore rupees, boasting a strong PAT margin of 39.39%. We are looking at a 30.72% year-on-year growth and a massive 38.07% quarter-on-quarter jump. EPS. Translating this to shareholder value, earnings per share rose to 96.72 rupees. This mirrors the profitability trend, up 30.44% year-on-year and rising 38.01% sequentially. Summary. To wrap things up, Oracle Financial Services Software delivered a phenomenal quarter. We saw a positive revenue trend, strong growth in PAT, and expanding margins across the board. The massive dividend payout is the cherry on top. A very clean and robust earnings report. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.